How to close trade on MT5. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app. Now you can see there is a chart option at the right side of this course section. So let's tap on that chart icon and let's take a trade from here. So let me tap on that red and blue kind of icon and let me tap on buy for now. Let me accept it. Let me buy. So now you can see I have already taken my trade. So let me tap on trade options on in the screen. So once you tap on trade, you can see there is AUD CAD on in the screen. So you need to slide it to the left, and now you can see there is 3 dot in here. So you need to tap on that 3 dot, and you can see there is close positions on in the screen. So you need to tap on that option and finally tap on close, which is in orange colors on in the screen. So just tap on it, and yeah, you will be able to close your position successfully in MetaTrader 5. So basically this is how, and this is the process to close your position in MT5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.